In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom reply to address to marketing email in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that tells HubSpot where to send replies, so you can direct responses to the right inbox and keep conversations organized. Start by opening your browser, searching for HubSpot, and heading to the official site. Log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover over the navigation and locate the marketing section. That's where HubSpot keeps all of your campaign tools, including email. Click Email to open your marketing email dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your emails, drafts, scheduled messages, or previously sent campaigns. Hover over the specific email you want to update and click Edit. This opens the email editor, where you manage content and settings before sending. At the top of the editor, click the subject line section. This opens the inbox settings panel on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and add or refine your subject line here. Keeping the subject clear and relevant helps with both deliverability and engagement, and it also puts you in the right place to control sender details for this message. Now scroll down within that same left side panel until you find the option labeled Use as Reply to Address. This is the key setting. Enabling it tells HubSpot to route any replies to the address configured for this email, rather than a default or no reply address. Turn on the checkbox to enable it. When this option is active, recipients who hit reply will send their messages to the address associated with this email's sender settings, which is ideal if you want replies to reach a monitored inbox like support or a team mailbox. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. Make sure the address associated with this email is one your team actively monitors, so you don't miss customer questions or leads. Also, using a recognizable branded address helps build trust and can improve response rates. If you work with multiple teams, align on which inbox should handle replies for each campaign to keep follow-up fast and consistent. And if you see a dedicated Reply To field in your panel, it will be in this same area, and the checkbox ensures replies follow that configuration. That's it. You navigated to marketing, opened email, edited your message, used the subject line panel to access inbox settings, and enabled Use as Reply to Address. With this setting on, your marketing email will direct responses exactly where you want them, making it easier to track conversations and deliver timely follow-ups.